here are 5 composition ideas to help you level up your street photography. I think street photography can be quite chaotic at times by design, and I think it's really helpful to go out and about with some tools in your toolbox. So, let's start with reflections. Reflections are everywhere in the city, and it's a great thing for you to sort of keep an eye out for, and you can get some really interesting compositions. And what about a frame within a frame? There's loads of architecture around the city where you can find little gaps like this, and it shows the viewer exactly where you want their eye to go. Another thing that I love to look for is a break in a pattern. So humans love patterns. And if you see something repeating and then one is just slightly different than the rest, it's a very satisfying composition to look out for.
And what about symmetry? Architecture is absolutely full of symmetry. Try looking up at tall buildings, look out for windows, repeating pillars, or even archways.
And then my personal favourite is juxtaposition. So you might have an old building and a new building. You might have a bird and a massive building, but the bird looks bigger because you're closer to it. You might have an old person and a young person. There's 100 different ways that you can use juxtaposition, and it's a great thing to go on a photography hunt for. So the next time you're out and about in the city with your camera, keep some of these tips in mind and have a little hunt for some interesting compositions.